here, and you can see one lap board. We've got one final lap. These are really short, sharp races in these Group 3s, and so I knew I had to find my way around. But Richard, he'd learned by this point where I was strongest. I try and take a different line because that's all I can do really, and try and get a run along here. You can see he's losing traction through the mud, and I did gain a bit of time there, but down the back of the straight he pulls out a bit of a gap. I try and go around the outside. I'm clinging on, trying to get my weight as far forward as possible. I then try and cut back through the final corner as we go across the line, and he loses a bit of grip, and I just can't get by it.